How to install Microsoft Excel on Android device. Open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for MS Excel. You can see the results over here. Tap on this option Microsoft Excel. Tap on the option Install that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a while to be installed. While it is being installed, you can scroll down. Find out more about this app. Also see the ratings and reviews over here. After you're done, scroll to the up again. Microsoft Excel is being installed. You can see over here Microsoft Excel has been installed. You can tap on the option Open and start using the Excel on your mobile device. Like this, you can install Microsoft Excel on Android phone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.